Hi, from Harmony Schools. For my PBL, I decided to design my own light. I wanted to see how to build objects with circular dimensions by using polygons. I did this by taking 12 polygons and 20 hexagons and connecting them to make a sphere. This idea could be useful because in the future, instead of using fabrics and related items as light shades, we could use something more recyclable, like juice cartons. In order to design your own light, you will need 15 pieces of construction paper, some scissors, and a hot glue gun. First, you will need to take each one of your construction papers and fold it 6 times evenly and cut those pieces. After doing the previous step, you should have a total of 90 pieces of construction paper. Cut each one of those 90 pieces in half again so you have a total of 180 pieces of construction paper. You then take each piece of construction paper and fold it 5 times until you have a total of 6 squares. You turn that piece of construction paper into a triangle and then hot glue the end so that the triangle will not fall apart. You will need a total of 180 triangles. You will then take 5 triangles and connect them all together to make a pentagon. For this version of your light, you will need a total of 12 pentagons. Make each pentagon the exact same way that is shown in the video. You then take 6 triangles and connect them so that they make a hexagon. In order to design your own light, you will need 20 hexagons. Make all 20 of your hexagons the exact same way every single time. Once you have completed all of your pentagons and hexagons, connect them like they are in this template. The black parts represent the pentagons and the white parts represent the hexagons. You then take your pentagons and hexagons and hot glue them together so that they make a sphere. Your final product should look something like this. The reason that pentagons and hexagons can make a sphere is because they have edges and vertices that can connect together perfectly since they are made of triangles. When they connect, they have the ability to make a sphere. For the English part of my PBL, I wrote 10 journals talking about my successes and failures during this project and the resources I used to help me make the sphere. It was quite difficult for me to make the sphere, but describing my daily successes and failures was a good way for me to vent out my frustration. For the social studies part of my project, I wrote a 2-page research paper about the history of light because my project is related to light. I wrote about how people used to get light before the light bulb was invented and how the light bulb affected the world. Thanks for watching Harmony Schools.